All right, so today we're going to learn about the greatest common factor between two numbers. But before we can begin, we need to find the factor of two numbers, of factors of those numbers. So our numbers today are going to be 12 and 15. And the factors are the numbers when multiplied together gives us the actual number. So the two numbers multiplied together gives us the product of those numbers. So we're going to begin with the number 12. So factors are numbers that can be evenly divided into our number. So we always begin with the number 1. 1 goes into 12. 12 times 1 times 12 is 12. So 1 and 12 are factors of 12. When finding factors, we start with 1 and we just continue on to the next number until we get to the actual number. So I'm going to go on with 2. And 2 goes into 12 6 times. 2 times 6 is 12. So 2 and 6 are factors. We move on to the number 3. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Move on to 4. 4 goes into 12 3 times, but we already have a 4 here. So to put it down would repeat itself. So we do not need the extra 4 because we already have one. So we'll get rid of that. And here, if we take a U shape along the paired line and come on up, we see that our factors are ordered for us. So we have as factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now we must find the factors of 15. So again, we begin with the number 1 and the actual number itself. Those two are factors of 15. So 1 times 15 gives us 15. We move on to 2. 15 can not be divided evenly by 2, so we cannot use it. So we move on to 3. We know that 3 goes into 15 5 times. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 and 5 are factors. We move on to 4. 4 cannot evenly go into 15. We move on to 5. But again, we already have 5, so that would just repeat itself. We make our U starting with the 1, come down all the way up to order our factors. And our factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. Now, we take a look at the factors of 12 and the factors of 15, and we look for what factors are common amongst the 12 and the 15. And here we see that we have 1, that's common between the two, and 3. These are common between the factors of 12 and 15. Now we look at these two and we want to see which one is the greatest or the biggest. And here we see that 3 is the greater of the two numbers that are in common. So our GCF between 12 and 15 is 3.